for joining me. Today is a working Sunday. I have an order pending. I am embroidering a Minion. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be embroidering. I'm doing a set of towels for a client, and we are putting Bob Minion on the towels. I've already started them. So here's good old Bob here. 13,000 stitches, about 46 minutes. So I've already been working on these throughout the week. Let me show them to you here. So we have cute little washcloths. There's 2 of them. And then we have the hand towels. And there are 2 of those. She had me do up 2 kitchen towels with Bob Minion. We did the writing in gray on this instead of blue. Just looked much better. And then I'm in the process of doing the body towels today. So the body towels are like jumbo size. So what I've done is because I have a 4x4 hoop, I am putting the extra large towel into 2 stitchings. So the first one I did was I went in and in Brilliance, and I made the your one in a Minion, and I made it to fit my 4x4 hoop, so it's nice and big, and it's blue on this white background, and it looks great. And then I will trim up the jump stitches on this, and then I'm going to put this back in the hoop right above the R and the 1. Right here is where it'll be centered, and then we'll have a 4-inch Bob Minion right on top of this, because like I said, this is an extra large towel. So I'm going to show you. I've already got this part done, so I'm going to show you the putting this on the hoop, and then stitching out Bob Minion on this towel, and going about just getting it all finished up and trimmed up and stuff like that. So join me on this little adventure, getting these all done. It was a set of 8, and it's been fun doing these. I've really enjoyed it. So please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I appreciate you all for helping me build my brand and building my YouTube channel here. So let's get this going, shall we?